points A, B, and C are on the circumference of a circle. So if we plot these 3 points, you can see that AB is a vertical line and BC is a horizontal line. To find the equation of the circle, let's consider B and C. So if you look at B and C, the center of the circle must pass through the midpoint of BC. So the x-coordinate of the center will share the same x-coordinate as the midpoint of BC. So let's say to find the x-coordinate of the center, we average these x-coordinates, which is 1 plus 7 over 2, which will give us a 4. That gives us the center of the circle. And look at AB here. Since it is a vertical line, the center of the circle passes through the midpoint of AB. So let's say D here is the center. You cannot use C because C has been used. So D is the center of the circle. Then the y coordinates of D is the y coordinate of the midpoint of AB. And we just average the y coordinates of A and B. That will give us a 5. So the center of the circle, suppose it has coordinates D, this is 4 and 5. We need to find the radius in order to find the equation of the circle. So in order to find the radius, we can find the distance between D and A. This will give us the radius of the circle. The distance formula, we have square root of the sum of squares of the difference of the x-coordinates. So we subtract the x-coordinates of A and D. We have 7 minus 4, square this, and subtract the coordinates, the y-coordinates of A and D. We have 1 minus 5 squared. And that is the square root of 9 plus 4 squared is 16. So we have square root of 25, which is 5. The equation of the circle center is D, 4, and 5. We have x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals the square of the radius, that is 25. And we have the equation of the circle for part A. For part B, you need to find the equation of the tangent to the circle at B. Now you can use derivative, but normally for this type of question, we don't use derivative. What we could do is we find the slope of BD. The slope of the tangent is always perpendicular to the slope of BD. This is the tangent at B. These two are perpendicular. So the slope of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of the slope of BD. We find the slope of BD first. So BD, then we have 9 minus 5 over 7 minus 4. That is 4 over 3. And we know that the slope of the tangent, since these two are perpendicular, the slope of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of the slope of BD. We just take negative and flip this number. We have 3 over 4 here. Then the equation of the tangent at point B, we have y minus 9 equals negative 3 over 4, x minus 7. So we can simplify this to negative 3 over 4 plus 20, sorry, there's an x here, 21 over 4. And y is negative 3 over 4x plus 21 over 4. bring the negative 9 over, we have positive 9. So that y is negative 3 over 4x plus 57 over 4. And that gives us the equation of the tangent to the circle at B.